All right. So if you look at the question on the board, it is quite simple. Find the 10th term of the following arithmetic progression, that is AP. You can see the term. The first number there is 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So you see what is the 10th term? That is a simple question. So solution, can see the solution here. First term is A. A is equal to 50. That is first term. First term. Okay. Then common difference. Common difference D is equal to 100 minus 50. 100 minus 50 or 150 minus 100 equal to 50. Then, so this is our common difference. So, but 10th term of an AP, therefore, 10th term, 10th term is equal to A plus D, A plus 9D. So, and our first term here now is 50 plus 9 times 50. So that will give you 50 plus 9 times will give you 450, which is what? 500. Alright, so look at the question number 2. Say find the sum of the following AP. Draw the sum. Quite simple. So we have seen here that is the 10th term. Now sum is solution. One of the simplest maths you can think of. So our first term A is 100. Then the common difference, that is D, is equal to 200 minus 100, or let's say, or so minus 200. That is this minus this minus this is a common difference. So which is 100. All right. Now we have but the sum of an AP, but the sum of an AP is equal to the sum of an AP is given as S is equal to N over 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 times common difference. This is the formula. So how many? The N is number of 10, comma, so N, number of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of 10 is 7, okay? Now, from there, we now have implied that 7 over 2, open the bracket, 2 times, what is our A? 100, yeah? Then minus N, that is 7. 7 minus 1. This we are looking at times common difference. Our common difference now is 100. Okay, so we now have 7 over 2 into, so this is 200, then plus, this is 6 times 10, this is 6, then in 100. So this will give you 7 over 2, we now have into 200 plus 600. Okay, quite simple. So this is 800. So you're going to have 7 over 2, then times 800 over 1. 2 here, 1, 2 in 800 will give you 400. So 4 times, this implies that 4 times 7 up here times 400. 7 times 400 is equal to 2,800. So that is the sum. So Sn So that is our Sn. So Sn is equal to this. Thank you. Keep watching our videos.